Hi, I'm Craig Taylor. This is my 67 Pontiac Firebird. It was my father's car. He actually picked up the car in '99. It was his dream car, and sat in the driveway. It was kind of unreliable for a few years, so I convinced him that I need to go through and do some work to it. I took it back to my house, spent about 5 years going through the car just on weekends. Did a full Hotchkiss suspension, redid all the fuel lines, all the electrical, just everything to try and make it reliable. I still had somebody, when he got the car, had done a 400 clone to it, and so it still had a 400 engine with tri-power. And then unfortunately, after I got the car back to him, about a year and a half later, he passed on. And so then the car came back to me, and I started kind of tinkering with the car, get it the way that I'd like it to be. And the 400 engine started knocking on it. A friend convinced me that the LS was the way to go. So we got an LS2 in it. It's out of a 06 Chevy Silverado. Got that in there. It's got the Phytec fuel control system. Got that in there. It's got a tank sink, fuel pump in the tank, and that's about it for the car.